Hi, this is Marcia. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and together with my nephew, my grandnephew Ryan, we are Marcia's Crafts. Today we have a guest star. It's Ryan. Say hi, Ryan.
Hello.
And he wants to make this card. I did this on a live, so he's going to do it. It is a, oh my gosh. It's a paper pumpkin alternate project, and we'll just go ahead and get started. We won't be putting the dimensions and everything below. I'll kind of give them to you as we go, and it's from the October paper pumpkin kit. So anyway, here we go. First thing he'll start out with is a 4.5 by 8 piece of Night of Navy cardstock, and it's been scored at 1.25 inches from each end and 2.5 inches from each end. So first he's going to take these middle folds and you're going to fold that up. And I have a bone folder here. Yeah.
Just like this?
One at a time, and then crease the fold with the bone folder.
One at a time?
Well, yeah, one at a time. It's just fine. Then you're going to fold the other fold back.
All right.
And again, crease it with the bone folder. And that's the base of our card. You can lay that aside. Next thing you're going to do is stamp your bunny rabbit. So here's a piece of crumb cake. You're going to take the bunny rabbit stamp right there, and you're going to take your soft suede ink.
Try to do this without getting it all over my hands.
Yep, that's a good idea.
All right.
And then ink up the bunny rabbit.
All right, tell me when to stop.
That's fine, and stamp it down.
Right here?
Yeah, you're going to cut it out, so.
Okay. Is that
Why don't you try it?
again?
Yeah, why don't you try it maybe a little bit harder here. Just go ahead and stamp it down again and hold it down for a second. There you go. Okay, bring it up. Yeah.
Is that better?
Yeah, it's okay. That's, I don't know. I don't know why it's just re-inked this pad, so it should be okay. Let's try one more time. Oh, well, that's good enough.
All right.
Okay, you want to put that over in the, open up that and just put it in the cleaner, keep cleaner thing. Yeah,
Okay.
Then let's see, what other stamping do we have to do? We have a sentiment, and you're going to take the Pool Party ink.
Okay.
Okay. Stamp that up. Okay.
I'm getting it all over the block.
That's all right. Doesn't matter. And you're going to line that up and stamp it right in the middle. Yeah, I know it's tough, but try your best. Okay. Oh, wait, you know what? I was wrong. It wasn't the Pool Party ink. You're not supposed to do Pool Party. You were supposed to do it in Night of Navy. So get the Night of Navy, and I'll get you another one of these.
All right. Second.
Yeah, that's good. That's perfect.
All right.
Put that in there too, and just leave it till we're not using it anymore. And then our last bit of stamping will be on a piece that is 4.25 by 4, and I've already sliced it. What you're going to do is you're just going to take that snowflake, and you're going to take your Pool Party, get that out of the way, and you're just going to randomly do snowflakes all over. So just make sure you ink up the whole snowflake, and then just stamp it, and then stamp those all over that card. Yeah, just all over the place. Try not to make it look like you're doing them one on top of each other. Make it random. And that's what we don't want it to be too dark. It's just a random background pattern.
It's like super important.
It's like making your own DSP.
I'll get one little guy.
A little part of it there. Okay.
Right there.
All right, and then put that in the stamp cleaner, and we're finished with our stamping. Now it's time to assemble. So first, just pull this apart. It'll go into 4 different pieces. You can keep them in order if you want, or you don't have to have them in order. It doesn't really matter.
So could you also cut this after you?
Of course you could.
So you just did this for
I just
the
did
sake
it
of the video?
for the sake of hurrying up.
All right.
I thought it was pretty clever.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. pull off this tape.
Yeah, well, that's why I even left you a little thing to pull it with.
Wow, nice.
Okay, so now we're going to assemble. So turn those all right side up. And actually, we can go ahead, and what we're going to do is on the back, we're going to put... Okay, we took the background card, and on the white half, we cut a piece down to, let's see, 1 3/4 by 4, and then the inside piece we also cut to 2 3/4 by 4. So actually, we do have one more little piece of stamping to do that I forgot about. So down here in this corner, you can do it with a Night of Navy. The Night of Navy is kind of a nice color, and the star, and just put two or three stars way down in this corner. You could just, in fact, you could just do one if you want, whatever. And
down in which corner?
This corner right here.
Like completely or off?
Doesn't matter. Off is good. I like off.
Let's get this in the frame.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Then you're going to take that and some glue. Where'd your glue go? You've got your glue. And you're going to glue this to the back of your card. Now we're done with the ink.
Okay. I don't know how much glue to put.
Oh, you don't need very much. You can just kind of spot it down.
Alright. I just missed a little bit.
That's all right. As long as you get it in the corners, it's fine. That's way plenty.
Okay.
Just stick it down in the back.
How do you do this without getting glue on yourself?
Carefully. There you go. And you want to center it in that area there.
That's pretty good.
Okay, then flip it over. And you're going to put this piece in the middle here. Same thing. Just center it in the middle there.
Alright.
Okay. And then you're going to take these two pieces and put one here and one here. Put one there, one there. There you go.
They probably should be the same level, shouldn't they?
About, yes. Okay.
That's about right.
Then, actually, before we do the next part, you're going to put some sequins, and I forgot those too. I'm going to put like 5 dots around like I did in this one. You want to use this as an example? Just put little tiny dots of glue in 5 places because you're going to put these sequins there.
Okay.
Oh, those are kind of big, but that's okay. You want to use a tweezers. I'm going to pick them up with the tweezers and put them down.
This is difficult.
Put it where
where
the dot was.
Well, there's no dot anymore.
Here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, those dots are a little bit big. Let me see if I can find something to pull some of that up. Okay. Put one of those on that. Next, you know what you can do that'll give you a little time for those to dry is you can cut out with your lovely snips this rabbit. Do you want to cut him out?
Sure.
Okay, just cut a little bit. Don't cut right at the line. Leave a little tiny space around him. But go all the way around your bunny. Getting that?
Okay, I think that's good.
Okay. By the way, in case you're wondering where the bunny came from, it's from the Nature's Beauty stamp set. Little guy right there. Okay, so just lay that to the side. You're done with him. Okay, and next we're going to take our card and we're going to fold it like this. And you're going to take a strip that is 3/4 by, I believe, 5 1/4. And you're going to put it across the top. You're just going to attach it 1/4 inch or a little bit from the edge here, all the way at the top, and a little bit from the edge there. So you just want glue here and here. Go all the way to the top. Yeah. Then you're going to do the same thing with this, except it's a smaller piece. It's a 1/2 inch by 5 1/4, and you're going to attach it at the bottom here.
Is this one supposed to be on the top and the other one's supposed
No,
to be on
no.
the bottom?
Oh, that's the way I did. Oh, yeah. Well, yeah. You're right.
We can fix this.
Okay. You're right.
Probably just use this glue too.
I think you're going to need a little bit more.
Yeah.
Yep, you're right. The little one at the top. And that's right. We're going to cover it up anyway. I forgot. But yeah, you want that to be flat. Okay, and then same thing at the bottom. Okay, then you're going to take these and you're going to mount them on the front right like that. Oh wait, before you do that, I did that wrong last time. Before you do that, you're going to put these trees with the glittery side towards the top. You're going to put one on each of these. So just put them like that. Make sure that I would line the top up with the top and then just let it go however far it goes at the bottom, and we'll cut that off. And do the same thing with this one. Line it up at the top and have it go straight to the bottom. Both of those trees like that. Yeah, I would put a strip of glue down the trunk and then just touch a little bit to some of the ends of the little side ones.
That's about right.
Okay, do the same thing with the other one. Oh, by the way, if you would like to purchase anything, Stampin' Up, please consider doing so at marciajohnson.stampinup.net.
Sadly, we couldn't keep the last domain.
Yeah, that is too bad, but I gotta get new cards made.
I liked marciascrafts.stampinup.net.
Yeah, oh well. Okay, and then you're gonna take your scissors and from the back, cut them. Use your pool party as a guide. There you go. Same thing with the other one. Okay, bring this guy back in and put that one on that side and this one on this side. And just make sure that you put them a little bit down and right on top of that line of the blue cardstock. Yeah, that's good. Okay, then you can put the little bird up in that tree.
Where did this come
I
from?
would use the tweezers. It came from the kit.
About to lose a tail.
It's all right. Just glue him down, then he won't lose the tail. And
Right here?
Wherever you want. Well, I would put him like by a branch, but whatever you want to do.
All right.
Okay, and then we're going to put the bunny on a dimensional.
Maybe two.
No, just, well, yeah, you put one up by his head. Maybe a half one up by his head. No, half. Put that one on his body. A half one up by his head and not by his nose, because you're going to have his nose stick out a little bit. That's fine. Okay, take them off, backings, and stick him like right here. And I would like have his nose just sticking in the window part a little bit. We'll have him sit. I mean, you should, yeah. Is he straight or is he falling over?
Get him pretty straight.
Okay. And then we're going to put our sentiment on, and to do that, we have a piece of,
The sentiment.
yeah, just put a strip of glue and stick your sentiment down. Is it straight? Well, that's okay. We can just cut off each end. And just cut it off about, I don't know, just cut off a little bit off of each end. Make it just a little bit past where the,
Like that?
yeah, that's fine. And then just even it up on the other side. Okay. And then you're going to stick it close to the edge here.
Like right there?
Close to this edge. Yeah, well, just off here, like there. And then you'll be done. This actually really was a really good paper pumpkin kit. I really liked it. Down towards the bottom. Okay. Let's bring in the other alternates too, so they can just see them in case they didn't watch the live. And here's a shaker card done with the same kit. And this is kind of the original card. I just added some layers. So anyway, hope you have a great day. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.